Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the outer valves to without errors. I show you guys how to do it. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to avoid setup corrupted error. After watching this video, you just need to right click on the setup folder and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder and name this folder games and press enter. And now go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select scroll down and select manage settings, scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option, and the games folder has been added to this list. And then just close tab here and open the games folder and paste the setup folder we copied and double click on it and double click on the setup and select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage and then select next and select next and select the browse option, and you just need to select the games folder that we created and then select OK and then select next. Check all these options and select install. After the installation done, uncheck these both option and then select in finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.